NEC Section 300.22, Raceways and Enclosures for Conductors, addresses the proper installation of electrical conductors. This section mandates that enclosures and raceways must be designed, constructed, and installed to ensure the conductors are not subjected to physical damage, do not promote the spread of fire, are protected from moisture and corrosion, and are accessible for maintenance and troubleshooting. While this section doesn't explicitly forbid running communication cables through unused electrical outlet knockouts in modular furniture, it provides a framework for evaluating such practices. Introducing a communication cable through an electrical knockout presents potential risks. Firstly, the cable could be exposed to physical damage. If someone were to insert a plug into the electrical knockout, it could potentially damage the communication cable. Secondly, the cable might contribute to the spread of fire. If the cable sustains damage and shorts to the electrical circuit, it could exacerbate a fire hazard. NEC Section 800.113 further emphasizes the importance of separation by requiring that communication cables be installed in separate raceways or enclosures from power cables. The NFPA 70E standard for electrical safety in the workplace also advises keeping electrical and communication cables separate to minimize the risk of electrical shock or arc flash. Considering these points, it is generally not advisable to run communication cables through unused electrical outlet knockouts in modular furniture. A dedicated communication pathway is the preferred solution. However, if using the same pathway is unavoidable, stringent measures must be taken to protect the cable from physical damage and ensure compliance with all relevant code requirements. These measures might include using conduit or other protective materials to shield the communication cable from potential hazards within the electrical pathway. Always consult with a qualified electrician or electrical inspector to ensure that any wiring installation meets all applicable NEC requirements and local codes. Doing so helps maintain a safe and compliant electrical system.